Hello and welcome to Proceq UT8000 Tutorial 12, using the indication table. The following actions are possible on completion of this tutorial. First, we'll show you how to access the indication table, then to categorize indications and add descriptions. You can add columns and then export and share for your reporting. Now we'll show you how to access the indication table. To view the indication table overview, use a two-finger swipe from the review state. There you'll see the indication table, and you can go back with a two-finger swipe back to the review state. Note that you can only get to the indication table from the review state, not from the live view. Now if you want to categorize your indications, there are a number of ways to do that. You can categorize indications in two ways, either directly on the indication review mode, shown here, is that you'll have a panel at the left with a tag, and you can tag with 5 different categories. Here we'll call this a geometric, and when we swipe down you'll see that the type icon in column 2 has changed to the geometric icon in the indication table. Or you can directly edit in the indication table your tag. So you see this is the same indication with the geometric tag in the left panel, and we're going to change that to unknown. When I swipe back to review mode, the indication is now unknown. We can add descriptions. You can add a written description to each indication for full clarity for your report. You see the third column is description, and there's a pencil icon there. If you hit that, it'll bring up a keyboard and you can enter any description you wish. You can only enter one description, but it can be unlimited in length. There we go. That will be exported in the report to make it very clear what you've found. You now add columns to the indication table. So the indication table has the measurement toolbar as its default columns. So you see we have 4 options selected for the measurement toolbar, and they're presented there as the 4 options. So I'll want to add in, let's say, gate 1 to curve. I'll just move that so it's reading -7.1, and you see now I've got that in the indication table, that value I want or I report. So now that my indication table is complete, we'll want to export and share that, and I can show you here is that we'll use the share icon in the left hand side of the panel, so we can export as a snapshot, raw data, HTML or URL. When you press it, you'll get a standard Apple menu where you can email or share to whoever you wish. So now you know how to use the indication table. Thank you.